Ho, 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 I'm Minnie Claus. Ho, 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 I'm Mickey Claus. Oh, I'm almost forget. Today's Christmas. Okay, Mickey, you're going to lay over there and you're going to watch us. And today, we're going to build a Christmas house. It almost looks like a gingerbread house, but it's made of gummy blocks. So let's build it. Gummy, yummy. Let's see what we got inside. Whoa! There's gummies! And paper. More gummies! There's 2 more. 2 candy canes. Yummy. This is how we build a Christmas house. First, we have to fold the paper. This so tiny house. Okay, next is the roof. Now when the house is built, we're going to add blocks. These look like Lego. Here comes the first block, and it's green. Now we have more. Ta-da! Now let's use red blocks. Now let's build a roof. Now let's do the top of the roof. First red, and then green, and then another red. And green. All done! Even we built a Christmas tree. We got a white door with 2 candy canes out front, and green walls, and red pots, and white roof. We even built snow. And here is our small Christmas tree. Yay, that was lots of fun. Was it fun, Mickey? Yes, it was. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye! And Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas to all of you!